counties in Montana, Cascade, and Lewis and Clark. The National Weather Service in Great Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Lewis and Clark County in west central Montana, west central Cascade County in central Montana until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:34 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 15 miles west of Cascade, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cascade and Tower Rock State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Great Falls. Here are the 4